Welcome to the Structuring an Essay module. Many college students fear writing essays because they take a lot of time. The process of writing can become a little bit easier when it is broken down into a few different steps and elements. It also becomes much more manageable and allows for better time management. Hi, I'm Meredith Effler, an English professor at Cincinnati State, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this module which will help you explore the writing process and other techniques for tackling writing an essay. Keep in mind as you explore this module that the process for writing varies from person to person and can also change depending on the type of writing assignment. So let's get started. Check out the module. Our first folder here is the writing process. To open it, I click that link, and I can see that it contains videos from Crash Course and Arizona State University that explain the different steps in their writing process. Again, this process varies from person to person. To play any of these videos, I can click on the play triangle. I can also watch them in YouTube using this link below if that works better for me. After viewing the videos, I'm directed to a practice. This practice is a short test. Don't worry though, it's not for a grade. To take the test, I click this Begin button here. I want to choose my favorite answer out of this list and then hit Save and Submit. Because I didn't answer any of the questions, I did pretty poorly on the test, but I will receive response feedback to let me know where I need some work. After taking the test, I'll be able to see how well I understood major concepts regarding the writing process and if I need to go back and review some of the videos one more time. To go back to that main folder, I just click OK. At the end of this unit, I am directed to check out the next folder, Structuring an Essay. To go to that folder, I scroll back up, go back to Structuring an Essay, and then check out the Structuring an Essay folder. This folder is pretty similar. It begins with a video about how to write an essay structure, but then there are also some handouts from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. To click the handout, I click the link and it takes me to their writing center where they have their handouts that I can view. There are two handouts from the writing center at UNC Chapel Hill that I want to take a look at that tell me how to structure an essay. I'm also told to check out the paragraphs module of this site in case I need a better understanding of the structure of individual paragraphs before moving on to the overall structure of an essay. There is then a PowerPoint from the Cincinnati State Writing Center that I can view here. And then a link to a video from a writing instructor at the Cincinnati State Writing Center. After I check out all of those resources, I'm directed to practice identifying what I learned by using a sample student essay. I've got the practice instructions here. They tell me to identify the introduction, different types of body paragraphs, the conclusion, and observe the overall structure. And to view the student paper, I click on the blue link to open it up in a new window. Then I am directed to check out the folder on thesis statements. To go to that folder, I scroll back up to Structuring an Essay and click on that final thesis statement folder. Similarly, this folder begins with a video and then moves on to a link to a handout from the Writing Center at the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. And then there is also a link to Purdue University's Writing Center, which is called the Online Writing Lab, or the OWL. After viewing those resources, I'm directed to take another little practice test. Since this is the final folder in this module, it tells me to check out the next unit of this course, which is mechanics. And also reminds me that to help me perfect my thesis statements, I better make sure I understand mechanics and sentences, since theses are sentences. As I am going through this module, I can track my progress by check marking the reviewed buttons here. After I have reviewed all of those folders, I will be presented with my certificate of achievement. Great work! Don't forget that if you need help during your exploration of this module, we have a help link in the menu here. It has links to Cincinnati State's Technology Help Desk, Blackboard's site with help instructions and videos, and you can also email an instructor for this course in the I Need Help from a Person folder. Even though everyone's writing process and strategy for getting an essay started is different, at the end of this module you should have an understanding of some techniques to help you avoid the ominous writer's block. So go ahead, get started, and don't forget to be great.